Mayam Putaramna Ukchari, Manipur ki Chief Minister na Chayol Amada Karamba Thavak Thoram Singda Saruk Yaki Habadu Komsin Zaduna, Nordisk Windona Sandok Saba, CM District da Mayam Buchan Mabamna Taramna Ukchari. Hauzik Yang Winasi, Manipur ki Chief Minister na Hau Kiba Chayol da Karamba Thavak Thoram Singda Saruk Yaki Habagi, Mapungeba Paudam Yam the Tamzari. Manipur da leriba paramilitary forcing amadi central forcing micham miyam amadi state ki integrity ngak senaba kaubani aikoi masal hana sunaba du yengnaba kaubanate yengnaba lakpa oirabadi hankiba yari natrabadi aikoi isagi oiba waref isana lorakani loinene state forcing na matam pumna makta sem saraga leibiu haina chief minister N Birena fongdoki haukiba January kunma thoida first MRG Banquet Hall the Pangtokiba Manipur na State Food Fangba Jaya Khainitoi Subagi Thoramda Chief Minister N Birena Chief Guest Oike Thoramadu Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker T.S. Setiberta Cabinet Minister Singh MLA Singh Chief Secretary DCP Security Advisor Makok Thongba Civil Lamadi Police ki officials Singh Su Saruyaki Thoramadu ki Sarukama Oina Mars Pers Contingent Singhe Parrot Su Utki Thoramadu Wangang Bada Chief Minister N Birena Haiki State Amadaki Makwigi Tongana Tana ba demand karat takliba Talaklibadu Talu Karisukai Day State na Piroi Habani Madugi Ona Taina Bada Sing Janba Chachaba Amadi Water Supply ki Sing Thaba Chachaba Misamyo Singbo Hatok Piba Habasi Condemn Tawi Masi State Asigi Apunba Saktam da Singna Bani State Asigi Apunba Saktam Tugaina Ba Honarak Bada Yalhomi Sing Amata Oina Punsilaga Kaiba Yaroi Haina Leblakani Wari Sanaba Yaba Mafam da Wari Sanaduna Santaina Si Yadaba Mafam da Di State Kiladiba Machinery Sing Season Nagani Loinina State Lengakna Ting Nagani State Asigi Apunba Saktam Kai Haloi Aikoi State Lisang Sina Puwariga Sagon Naduna Lak Pani Waraba Matamasida Maya the Formlaga Natroga Nakal the Tonglaga Insin Badu Maruf Nate State Asigi Mafam Kayada IRB MR Amadi Commando Singh Yaknaba Singa Lanting Nari Haiki Loinana Laikidraba Tongna Faraba Security Force Personal Singh Su Ikai Kumnaba Utki Amaronda Chief Minister N Birena Paumi Singh da Fongtokibada Irang Asiga Mari Lenina MLA Minister Singh resign Togdaba Yadaba Matang Yoraklabadi Soidana resign Togani Adumopu resign Toraga Kari Oirakwa Yabagi Haiba Adu MLA Minister Singh Punna Khanari Magna Hai Manipur gi oina haukiba January kunmathoi ase Jai Yankhainitoi Suba Statehood Day ni yamna sautok saningai amadi harauningai oiba numit ni adubu maikai khara dadi Manipur bu thugai na ba honarakpa asi yamna laibak thibani Central Force Singna Security Force ama oina state asigi leiriba miyamgi lanthum amadi punsing ngak senbaga loinina state amadi National Territorial Integrity ngak senbada henna puning changbiu haiki Moreda kuki militant Singna snapper na kapada Kaptuna Hatkiba SDPO Anan Mihata Chena ba Mio Singh Lemna Tharoi Jab action local lakani masida natana Ningthau Kongi Thaudok adu miyam Micham miyam da target torakpani haiki state asina asuk Fibam luraba matam masida politics tawgadaba nate state ki micham miyam yamna wanaraba matam ni haina makhatake
The state government is doing, the preparative who killed Anand. We arrest it. Not saying only words. Lemna Tharoi is not only words. We arrest it and we book, we penetrated to the enemy zone. And similarly, the two incidents which has happened in Autak 1 and Ningthau Khong, it's very highly condemnable. Targeting to the civilians is a cowardly act. Let us see. Today also just right from the 12:30, we'll be sit together and we'll take some concrete decisions so that we have to protect our people. We have to protect the state. We cannot compromise at sudden. We cannot compromise everything. To whom we will hand over the administration? We have to think of it also because people have suffered. In this particular matter, we should not play politics and we should not listen to the vested interested people's voice. We should see the concrete and we should see it positively for the generation. Emotion resign Resign to Kanda Kari, we will get a canary. Oh, the Via Matan Lagas Tony, Carino Havasi, Prazazica minor, Mandy Prazagi life concerned. Canada Sidanabuli, Canua Lady Guys, Edu, Kundanari, Taurapasuya, Taurapasuya. But we're serious.
Kuki militant singi makuta tha asige tarani panda laikhidaba ningthau khong kha khona ward number 3 dagi mioi mari gi imung manung singa chief minister N Biren ga haktengnana unaduna awawa phongdok pagal lonena imung manung gi awawada mating pangkhrei haukiba January 18 da chatkiba chief minister gi khongchet aduda works amasung yas minister Govidas Konthauzam education minister TS Basanta Kumar MLA TH Santi MLA T Ravindra amadi MLA S Prem Chandra Su Saruyaki laikhidaba singi imung manung da lupa lakh tara gi check sing pibagal loinena atai tawba yaba thabak sing tawgani haina chief minister na thazaba piramki khongjet aduda paumi singna hangba wahangi paukumda kuki militant singi attack ase akan mama ongda condemn tawi icham chamna leizaba mioi singda khut thab ase tawhaidaba thawongni tawdok asin apikpa angang sing mapuroiba kainaraba singi matau yengba nuaite central force ki mahutta neutral oiba force ama thamnaba thorang tawgani tungda thodok thofam tana chatuna mafamadugi oiriba fibam sing chief minister na hakthengna na yengsinki
Central forces who are taking side and to replace by the neutral force so that the life and property of the innocent people can be protected. That could not be happen. If that kind of things happen, I'll definitely look into and I will destroy it. It is very sad living condition of the families and someone knows their husband leaving families and small children, someone's as well mothers. It is very unfortunate and very sad, and it is highly condemnable, and condemning in the strongest term those who keep militants, the terrorists who are killing the innocent farmers, and the government has already started hunting the terrorists, and we will definitely hunt them down, and we will book as per them.
Haukiba January 16 Imphal gi Kangla da pangthokiba Homfadara Manga Suba Republic Day gi thoram Manipur gi Chief Minister N Birena India gi machu ohum gi firal chingkatuna sarugyaki thoram aduda Chief Minister N Birena lamdam asigi mipum khudingmakta lairiba thauna lingjal aduna lakadaba singnaba khudong thiba kayada mayoknaba ngamgani amadi nation building da lauriba thaudangi matangdasu singthaki Manipur gi Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena Lochingtuna Lamdam asigi thauna farabi freedom fighter Rani Gaiden Liu gi chama sumna mapan suba but anniversary na lakpada Mantripukhi da leiba Rani Gaiden Liu gi mitamda ikai khumna ba utpagi thoram ama pangthoki thoram aduda Manipur gi Governor Anusuya Wikesu sarugyaki thauna farabi freedom fighter Rani Gaiden Liu British ki makutagi India bu ningtamba fangnaba honabada laukiba thaudang singbu thagatba amadi ikai khumna ba utki Madangsida Northeast Windona Sandok Saba CM District Loshinjari Matangi Thangsa Numiki Pungpama Simaktada Sandok Jaba CM District da Mayambungai Jaramgi